Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 9. In that we'll see the revision exercise. You have to arrange the following integers in ascending order. So now you can see these are negative and these are positive. So in negative one, the bigger number is going to be the smaller one. So ascending means you should know that is from small to big. So now let us see here. This will be first. Then comes here minus 82, minus 63. This is second, this is first, second, third, then fourth, and this is fifth. So this is the answer. Find the sum of the following 300. So this is the question given. So what will you do? This will write as it is. This will be minus, and again this is going to be minus 164. So now what will you do? You'll keep here. You can do anyways. Either you do take minus together and add it, or you can take this and this first, 300 minus 136, and the whatever answer you get, you will subtract this one with 164. So what I did, I kept this as it is. These both are minus 136 and minus 164 because both are minus, so you are going to add it. So this is going to be 300, but this you are going to add it, but keep the minus sign. So 300 minus 300, that is going to be 0. Again here this is the same. Minus 56 plus 9, that is going to be minus 126. So I have taken this minus together, that will be 603 minus 603, and this will be plus 9. Wherever you see this minus, you are going to add all one, but write the minus sign. So minus 603 plus 9, so that is going to be minus 594. Again here this is the same. This will be minus, this is the same. This is going to be minus 57. So I brought this minus together, and this will be here plus. So after adding all, minus 880 plus 652. So here minus 880 plus 652, that is going to be minus 228. Again here this and this one together here plus 33. So that is going to be minus 916 plus 33. That will be minus 883. Find the product using suitable properties. So now you can see a 76 into minus 92, and this is plus over here, and this is multiplication. So now we can see this is one part and this is the other part. From this one we can take 76 common, and then remains here is minus 92, and this will be minus 8. So this 76, this is going to be minus 92 minus 8 is going to be minus 100. So when you multiply this into this, that will write 76 and 2 zeros, but the minus sign. So here, what we can do here to simplify it, we can take this together. So that will be minus 4 into minus 250, and this will be here. So why did we take here? Means this is going to be 1000 minus becomes plus, and this is 64. So that will going to be 64, and these 3 zeros, that will be 64,000. Now this we can split up here. This will be as it is. This 100 we can make 100 plus 2. So this will be what? This is multiplication in between. So this into this into this one. Minus 28 into 100, and this is the plus sign, and this is going to be minus 28 into 2. So this is going to be minus 2800, and this is going to be minus 56. So when you add this one together, so that will give minus 2856. So now what you can see here, this minus keep as it is. This will be minus 1000, and this is going to be minus becomes plus, so that is going to be 100. So you will write here 7. This first thing, what will you do? Minus and minus is going to be plus. Now this is 7. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 zeros, so that is going to be 7x. Now here compare the two values. So now this is the first part, this is the second part. So when you add this one, that is going to be 48 into 30, and this will be from this one you can take, these are the two parts, so we can take 30 common, so remaining is 37 plus 11. So that is going to be, this stays the same, So this will be 30 and this will be 48. So this is, here means there is a multiplication sign. So 48 into 30 and 38 into 48. So both are equal. So now what we can see here, this is going to be 9 into 4. And this is going to be from, these are two parts. From this we can take 3 common. So here remains is 17 minus 8. So this is going to be 36 and this is going to be 3 into 9. So that is going to be 27. So 36 and 27. So what we can see, 36 is greater than 27. So this 36 is for this part. So this is the original what we are going to write is greater than this part. This is the answer. Now here 77 is here and this will be 13. And this is again from this two part we can take 7 common, so remaining is 4 plus 9. So this will keep as it is, 7 into 13. So what we can see, 7 into 13 and this 7 into 13 both are equal. Here we have to perform the following division. So 162, if you are dividing it by 30, this one 18, you get 9. So which is minus here, so minus 9 is the answer. Here would be first, let us see, minus minus becomes plus. 225 divided by 75, that is going to be 3. 510 if you divide by 34, that is going to be 15. You can divide and see. Now again here 192 divided by 64, that is going to be 3. This is simple one. In Simla, the temperature was 6 degrees centigrade in the morning on a particular day. What was the temperature during the night if it further dropped by 9 degrees centigrade? So temperature in the morning, that is given as 6 degree, and temperature drop is, that is going to be 9 degree. So new temperature will be, what will be that, from 6 to this one, 6 degree minus this will be 9 degree centigrade. So that is going to be minus 3 degree centigrade. So this is the answer. A hotel building has parking floor at the basement. A lift moves at the rate of 3 meters per 10 seconds. If the lift starts coming down from a height of 30 meters, then find its position after 1 minute and 60 seconds. So now let us write the given things. Height of lift is given as 30 meters. Speed of lift is given as, what is that given? 3 minutes per 10 seconds. So we can write here 3 minutes per 10 seconds. And the time taken, what is get given, that 1 minute and 10 seconds. So 1 minute and 10 seconds, because now this is in seconds. So 1 minute means, that is 1 minute is 60 seconds. And this 10 seconds here. So what will you do? That is going to be 70 seconds. So well, because it is given here, not this is not per, but this is just 1 minute and 10, because it is given 1 minute and 10 seconds. So this 60 plus this 10 is going to be 70 seconds. So now they want a position after 1 minute and this one. So what will you do? So distance, this is 70. So distance in now see here, this is 10 seconds, right? So that is given as 3 meters. So we want in 70 seconds, what will be the distance? So we'll do, what we'll do, we're going to cross multiply, because this seconds below this one, we are going to write seconds. So when we cross multiply here, we don't know. So whenever in cross multiplication, the two numbers, whatever are that goes in the numerator. And what is the single here? That is 10, that goes in the denominator. So 70 into 3, because many of them get confused over here, what to do, where to write this one, whether in the numerator or the denominator. So 70 into 3 divided by 10. So that is going to be 21 meters. So we can say now new height will be, what is that? What was the initial one? Height of lift. This is, we can write also here the initial height. That is 30 meters. And now this is the new one, that is going to be minus 21. So that is going to be 9 meters. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.